Good afternoon, friends. After a week, I am again posting the videos, uploading the videos. I was busy, and now I will be busy. So it will take some time to upload the video. 3 to 4 days or 5 days it will take because I may be busy. So within this period, you check all the videos and try to raise your learning level. Okay, now today I'll tell what is bonding. Bonding means to connect the all metallic portion, current carrying and non current carrying, to the return path to attain nearly zero potential, so that it will not be harmful. It will be connected to the neutral. That means one leg of the traction transformer, all will be connected with it, so that it will attain nearly zero potential. And if it is zero potential, if you touch it, it will not harm you, because it's only 0 volt. If there is no potential difference, it will not harm you. So this is bonding, and in a word it will be in electrified traction area, to protect from harmful traction current and induced voltages on all metallic structures, may be current carrying or may be non current carrying. Current carrying means like traction rail. The length of the traction rail is 13 meter, but after 13 another, so its continuity is required, so we are providing rail bond. This is called rail bond. And conducting parts are connected to the return path. That means the one leg of the traction or return path of traction return current to traction substation earthing grid, whose combined earth resistance value is 0.5 ohm or less. So when the earth resistance is so low, and the tendency of the current is to flow through the low resistive path or low impedance path. So your body is higher than having higher resistance value, so it will not come to you. But if you fall in the way of the flowing of this current, then it will harm you, because you may touch it with the, when it is continued, this path is continued, this traction return current, then it will not harm you, because it is neutral. But suppose this neutral has broken, we know in our system also, when the neutral has cut, it will act like phase, one end, and other end will act as neutral. So if you come between this, neutral has cut and you have caught one end and another hand caught the other end, then the current will flow through your body. So you should not be in series with this current path, then it will flow through your body. Maybe your resistance is high, so keep it in this mind. When return path is completely connected with this transformer one leg, then it will not harm you. Means, suppose in a single line, one track is used for traction rail. Now for changing of this rail, you have opened one rail, and immediately before that you have to jumper the two rails of this single track. Otherwise, if you open one track and you bridge this gap, or maybe you think the fish plate has opened and there is a gap between two rails and you have touched with the 2 feet on one end, another leg is on other end, so you will get shock. And it is traction current is huge, so you don't come in the path of the return current, incomplete return current. You should not come in the path of the incomplete return current. Then one end will be phase and another will be neutral, and you will touch the bridge the phase and neutral, and the current will flow through your body. But the return track, if it is complete, so we are connecting all the rail piece with rail bond, so that it is continuing, and if you touch it, it will not harm you because your body resistance is high. But if it is broken, this return path, it is dangerous. If return path is broken and it is also in if it is in single line, that is 100% you will face problem if you come in this return path way. But in multiple track there is cross bond, means we are attaching one track to another track. Suppose upline and downline, there will be a connection between up and down with a bond. So if one rail has opened, then it will not harm you because it will follow that bond and pass the other track which is continuous, and there is no rail has removed. Your body distance is more, so it will not follow your body. It will pass away to the adjacent track through this structure bond. So bond has the tremendous importance. It is catching all the return current, induced voltage, everything, and throwing it to the traction transformer one leg, earth leg. Be careful during rail changing. Before rail changing, you have to bridge. You will not change the bridge, but you don't. Engineering department is doing it, but you don't come close vicinity of this section if it is not bridged. Okay, if the track is bridged, then it is not harmful. Then moreover, current always flow through low impedance resistance path easily and not harming the other conductors or human animals can be in safe limit due to relatively higher resistance. Also, a traction circuit will follow its own closed circuit. I have told you a traction transformer secondary is forming a circuit with its OHE locomotive. So in this path, it is a closed. If it is closed, then it will follow its own way. It will not harm the others. But if it is any break is there and you have come in that break portion, you have bridged it, then it will harm you. You will be electrocuted. Also, traction circuit will follow. Okay, so these non-current carrying metallic structures all are connected to the traction return current, traction rail or earth cone. It also keeps the induced voltage on non-current carrying metallic structure to a safe limit within 20 meters of OHE. Our overhead conductors and across it up to 20 meters is its harmful effect of the induced voltage. So within this portion, all the metallic structure we are bonding like fencing of the railway yard. Fencing is within the 20 meter of overhead conductor, so it must be bonded with the traction return path. And also in the level crossing gate, the fencing is bonded with the traction rail. Or if the parallel run fencing is 20 meter or more, then also it is a dangerous thing. One is across 20 meter and another is along the track if it is 20 meter, then it is harmful. So we are providing again bond. Okay. So it is harmful for 20 meter length or more. Immediately you bond it, connect a bond with the traction rail. This connection is called bonding, and then I'll tell you the type of bonding. Okay, friends.